Om. Om. Namaste. I am Dr. Neil Kulkarni of Adhiyoga, Adhiyoga. Happy Vijayadashmi Day 2021. This video is made to make an important announcement which is shortly written on this board. In this video, I am announcing a new project, and it is an inauguration of or opening of Adhiyogananda University, ADHIYOGANANDA, Adhiyogananda University, and its website is www.adiyogananda.com. In short, the event is as follows. Recently, I taught Yoga Sutras of Patanjali to one person with name Sanjay Mansukhani from Kolkata, India. He has studied the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali for 18 years, and then he wanted to study them with me. This study continued for 3 to 4 months, and he also bought my book Patanjali Code. Along with that, he bought another book called Adhiyoga. Adhiyoga is a system which I created in 1998, and it was published in 2017 by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. It is in sutra form, and also the full commentary is written in the book. After his studies of Patanjali Yoga Sutras with me, he informed me that my father, who was a self-realized yogi, went into his dream several times and asked him to help me to spread the knowledge given in the Adiyoga system. Mansukhani has a strong background in administration and management, which I do not have. Therefore, Mansukhani suggested that I should initiate a project where the knowledge in the Adiyoga system will be spread around the world. I had that thought once in mind, but I didn't know what to do about it. So I discussed this matter with Sanjay Mansukhani, and I decided that I will start an online university where all my educational material will be available online, and various certification, non-certification, and otherwise courses will be offered through online medium. This particular discussion took place 2 to 3 weeks ago. Last week, I happened to visit one lady in Rome, and that lady is the chief guest for today's function. I will be attaching her photograph at the end of this video or in this video. Her name is Ivana Spoletini. This lady is supposed to have some mystical background from her age of 13, and now she is around 60. So this lady had invited me for coffee to her house, and there was no discussion about my yoga, etc. However, this lady carries one glass ball in which she is supposed to get some mystical experiences. Anyway, when I visited her for coffee, she was looking into the ball and she said that she was able to see me, my father, and my father's guru in that ball. She even took a picture and gave it to me. And she told me that I will be doing some important project very soon. Then immediately it clicked into my mind that the project should be the Adiyogananda University. Adiyogananda is a name which I took upon myself, and it was conferred to me by Pandit Vasant Gadgil in Pune few months ago. Anyway, I am inaugurating this event where the chief guest is Ivana Spoletini, and you are all invited to participate in the university. Currently, the website is only at the beginning level and it will expand with the time. In fact, I start a new course on Patanjali Yoga Sutras tomorrow, which is total 100 classes of 1 hour each on Saturday, Sunday, Indian time 10 to 11. Apart from this, I will now sing a prayer for the welfare of the mankind and also prayer to Guru. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Bhadram Karnebhih Shrunayama Devaah. Bhadram Pashyemakshabhiryajatraah. स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः. ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः. स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः. स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः. स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु. ॐ तन्मा अवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु. अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ॐ श्री गुरवे नमः. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। So maybe I will talk little bit about the Adi Yogananda University activities. Some of the activities which are already in my mind are offering knowledge in the Adi Yoga system. This knowledge can be offered through lectures, or one can do a course at a basic level or at advanced level to understand the Adi Yoga system for personal use or whatever use. The other activity can be to form Adi Yoga system teachers. These teachers can teach Adi Yoga system or teach yoga in the logic given by the Adi Yoga system. This teaching can involve physical, mental or spiritual practices. The teacher training can be at a basic level or it can be at advanced level. There is one level which is called AYT 1000. It is not 1000 hours. 1000 denotes all-roundness, and what we shall be doing is we will be reviewing the background of the student or the teacher trainee at the present moment, whether they are a teacher already or student, and then we will teach all the remaining parts which are not already known to that student, so that an all-round teacher can be produced. For example, if somebody has a very good background in asanas, that is the physical practices, but does not have much background in chanting or philosophy, we will only teach that, and therefore the fees will depend on individual basis. We shall also offer fees structure based on the student's background. So very poor students will get scholarships and very rich students will pay the full fees. The third activity is we want to promote yoga study and the usage of yoga such as study skills, fitness, health in the poor community, especially girls and ladies who are disadvantaged throughout the world. We are already doing this activity and we will do this activity more vigorously using teachers all over the world. In addition to that, we will also do writing work and research work in the field of yoga and publish it in audio, video and printed form. These are the 4 activities which I mentioned. Now I will like to tell you the university is mainly in the medium of online. That means all the courses can be taken online. People can study the courses without expecting to get certification at their own pace. So they don't have to feel pressurized to complete studies in a particular time frame. My main states will be in California, in Rome, Italy, and in India, Pune mainly, and sometimes Mysore. I will try to minimize my travel by offering my instruction online through this university. Also, other Adiyoga teachers can offer training through this university. We shall also add other activities such as art in various forms, which we believe is an important part of yoga, especially music, chanting, drawing, and dance. So, we hope that all of you make a note of it and participate or bless our university. Thank you so much for your time. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.